Did you know one of golf's greatest comebacks happened when nobody was even watching the right player? June 1966, Olympic Club in San Francisco. Arnold Palmer was crushing everyone at the US Open. Arnie's Army was already celebrating. With 9 holes left, Palmer led by 7 shots. The trophy seemed his, but the Pacific Ocean had other plans. Brutal winds started whipping off the coast. Olympic Club's back 9 turned into a nightmare. While Palmer kept playing his usual aggressive style, a quiet guy named Billy Casper played it safe. Palmer's power game fell apart in the wind. Double bogeys. Bad decisions. Meanwhile, Casper just kept making smart shots and steady pars. Hole by hole, that 7-shot lead disappeared. By the 18th hole, the impossible had happened. Casper tied Palmer and forced a playoff. The next day, Casper's patience beat Palmer's power again. He won by 4 shots. Sometimes in golf, the tortoise really does beat the hare, especially when the wind is howling and course management beats raw talent.